आपको स्पॉट कैसे किया गया?
At Famous Studio. So I'll tell you what happened. There's a small story to it. मेरी ट्यूशन टीचर की बेटी जो है वो मॉडलिंग करती थी, थोड़ा थोड़ा बहुत एड्स वगैरह करती थी. So my sister suggested कि अरे like you should try modeling and all, and कुछ pictures click करते हैं and we'll just give it to Famous Studio. So we went to Famous Studio Mahalakshmi. Actually मेरे पास picture like, and तभी तो now तो we have people spending lakhs and lakhs on portfolios. तभी तो it was just a Kodak film studio we went to. We took like one close, one mid, one long shot, and we went and distributed it to people in the production houses in Famous Studio. वो ट्यूशन टीचर के बेटी ने बताया था कि फेमस स्टूडियो में ये प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस है, सो यू कैन गो एंड गिव योर पिक्चर्स. So that was like a very summer vacation time pass activity that we did. And I clearly remember this on the way back from Famous Studio. मैं गाड़ी में थी and I was like, क्या बकवास चीज़ की मैंने, like what was I thinking that these guys are going to call me for like becoming a model? Like I was so not sure about what I had done. But yeah, within a month I got a call for a skin cream brand and telephone बजा था तभी and I got to know that audition है. I walked into the audition. I was the second girl on the tape. बाद में पता चला there were 54 girls and I got the ad. So yeah, it was like that for me.
One thing led to another.
One thing led to another. Then I kept getting calls. मैंने मुझे close-up के लिए बुलाया. Close-up, like for not the main close-up red gel, but for another Oxy Fresh or something like that. So I went for this close-up Oxy Fresh audition and they saw me and they said, you know what, the clients watched your audition and they want you now for this very big commercial, like which was in the pipeline. They were looking for some face. And I said, okay, I'll do it. When I walked in on the set, it was Mehboob Studio. The entire set, they had recreated Malhar of Xavier's, the whole Malhar Fest. And it was an ad with me and Shiny Ahuja. And that was like my first big, like feeling of being on a big set. Deven Khote was the director. And, it literally felt like you're a part of a movie set. It was amazing. Yeah.
Did the media world scare you at all?
Initially, yes.
Yeah?
Initially, I didn't know how to react to them because I didn't know that जब आप फिल्म के प्रीमियर के लिए जाते हो या किसी इवेंट के लिए जाते हो, it is mandatory to like stand for the paps and pose. I didn't know all of that. तो मैं भाग के ऐसे निकल जाती थी. Then later on, one of the paps told me that, you'll offend them and, they'll not like it because they're waiting for you and they want to take your picture. So you're like a new actress on the block, so they want you. So I said, chalo theek hai. So you learn, like you learn. Like I have also worn like denims and like a top and gone for the red carpet of Veer Zara.
Oh.
And then Farah came to me and said, baby, it is red carpet. You're not supposed to dress like this. So for me, everything was like learning. I didn't have like a big daddy to show me this is how it should be. Yeah, every day was a new learning.
Like
yeah.
you don't come from a filmy background.
Yeah.
आपके parents क्या करते थे?
So my dad ran an advertising agency for a very long time. Now he shifted his entire setup to something else. He's a corporate entertainer. But advertising was the language in the house, So I have grown up listening to things like captions and logos and, this is the way... everything to do with marketing, branding, font size, all of that. So that was the language at home. So I always thought that मैं यही करूँगी. I have a natural bent to it towards advertising. So I felt I'll be like into marketing and advertising.
You didn't even think of films, anything glamorous like that?
So बचपन में जब मैं स्कूल में थी तो वो ज़माना होता था जब कैसेट्स में हम फिल्में देखते थे. तो एक कैसेट वाला आता था साइकिल पे एंड ही हैड दिस ह्यूज सैक फिल्ड विथ VHS ऑफ डिफरेंट फिल्म्स एंड आई एंड माई मेड वी यूज्ड टू स्टैंड एट द बैल्कनी, कैसेट वाला आ गया. और जब वो आता था तो हम चूज़ करते थे कि आज स्कूल से आने के बाद आज कौन सी फिल्म देखूंगी. एंड इनवेरिएबली इट यूज्ड टू बी अ श्रीदेवी फिल्म. तो नगीना, Chalbaz. You know, these are the films I grew up watching, and I was in awe of Sridevi ji. कहीं ना कहीं मुझे, I think Sridevi ji inspired me to become an actress, because just watching her and watching all these films that I used to watch after coming back from school, वो एक लगता था कि दिल में कि यार मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, but I never really pursued it. I didn't tell my mom and dad कि यार मैं एक्ट्रेस बनना चाहती हूँ, मुझे डांस क्लास ज्वाइन करना है. Today there's so much that goes, the prep before you want to enter this profession. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. It was just by luck, by chance. Yeah.
In retrospect, how's fame? When you look back, especially mid 2000s, क्योंकि वो fame अलग हुआ करता था.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think everyone's famous now. But and if everyone's famous, is anyone really famous now?
So I think that fame that we saw, without Instagram validation, without social media validation, and yet you could sense the fame. You could sense that, people love you. They are going and watching your films again and again. And that craze, and they're copying your hairstyles, whether it's a nose ring or that, the curly hair in Ishq Vishk. Like you would get feedback from people कि अरे पता है इश्क विश्क देखने के बाद ना मेरे सोसाइटी में सारी लड़कियों ने जाके अपना बाल पर्म करवा लिया, या फिर मैं हूं ना देखने के बाद everybody is wearing a nose ring or that kind. So you could literally get those kind of feedbacks. Now you see it. That's the difference. Now you see it. You read the comments. Like I think the only difference is कि तभी audiences के पास इमोशंस थे, बट उनको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं था. सो दे परहैप्स दे वुड से अरे अमृता ने ये क्यों कहा, या दे कुड ओनली रिलेट ऑन व्हाट वाज कन्वेड टू देम बाय अ मीडिया रिपोर्टर. टुडे दे कैन एक्चुअली हैव अ डायरेक्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन विथ यू. That's a big thing. Yeah, but that fame was amazing. Yeah.
Were you totally happy in that phase?
Yeah, I was. I was happy, and I was also maybe not. See, it was two things. It was the happiness of having 3 back-to-back hits, having arrived in the film industry on my own without any godfather. There was that happiness, and there was another side which said ki, there was this struggle, a little bit of struggle of अरे मेरे साथ ये क्यों हो रहा है, अरे मेरे साथ, the little politics that starts happening in the industry once someone just arrives and becomes like the center of attention and everybody's like, hey, who is she?
नजर.
हाँ, तो होता है. I mean, politics is everywhere. So, yeah.
जो अर्ली सक्सेस के साथ हर किसी को मिलता है.
हाँ, सबको. हाँ, आपको पता ही होगा.
Of course.